guys, welcome back to another Red Ground video. And today we're going to make slime. Well, not exactly. As you can see, I have Play-Doh on my hand. We're going to make Play-Doh slime. It's kind of like a butter slime stuff. I'm going to show you DIY. And yeah. And if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, hit the notification, and subscribe. And yeah. So I'm actually going to do a part 2 of this, but with another recipe. So I'm going to get the lotion that's actually in the bathroom. Okay, I'm back, and so I added a few pumps of the lotion, not too much. I'll add a few at a time, then you'll notice it will be coming together. If you add too much, it'll get a little bit messy. You'll have to mix longer, and yeah, we'll get good. I just added a little bit of lotion. It's a little bit grubby. It's going to come together. It's not really pretty. It's slime, I mean. Oh, it's a small polka.
Business card, a banner, or a poster. We have paper stocks, sizes, and design options to create marketing and brand for your business. Give it a try. 500 standard business cards starting at just $9.99. Use code VP5.
Is the poster on August 7th? I know that took a long time, but you had to add a little bit too much room. As you can see, it's getting kind of grubby. It is getting actually mess, but still worth it. Well, if you keep reading it, it'll become slime. I have it all on me just to tell you guys. I think I want a little bit of the two overflow. I think it's finally becoming too slimy. Yeah, it's finally becoming too slimy. Let me show you how stretchy it is. And when you start mixing, as you can see, it's getting softened. And yeah. Okay, one more pump, maybe a few more pumps. And we're done now. Added them. Now it is becoming perfect, guys. It's just becoming perfect. Okay, so as you can tell, it is kind of grubby, slivery, you know. So, have to keep mixing it, and then the pro is done. Yeah, it's still pretty stretchy. Guys, Did you hear that? We get Popero now. Yay! Wanna go for another pump? And we're ready. Okay. Okay guys, this is finally done. I'll show you the big reveal in a couple minutes. Guys, this is actually walking. Oh my gosh, this is so stretchy. It actually pokes it up. Comment down below if you can hear it. How about you say fantastic if you hear it. Okay, yeah. So yeah, this is actually a pretty nice slime. It's perfect. How about one more pump? I pinky promise. So here it is. It might get a little bit overboard. If it gets a little bit overboard, it's ready. But if you still have, if you use all your Play-Doh, maybe add a tiny bit of cornstarch or baking soda, or any kind of paddle. Yeah, guys, it's actually it's a little bit sticky. Okay, so here it is, guys. Here it is. Is it good? Give a thumbs up to this video if you think it's nice. And make sure if you like this video, hit that notification for me. Click the thumbs up. Wait a second. I have something right there. And yeah. And see you next time. Goodbye. Wait. Yeah.